How to set up the panel? Follow the steps with me. First, extract the panel file using WinRAR password always 1. Then successfully extract the panel. Double-click the panel exe. You get the login user and pass in the video. Watch the video carefully.
Welcome to
Now you check the video full how to use our panel properly, and don't forget like and comments for this type more tools and videos. Enjoy your day with smile. Now enjoy the video guys. Bye.